We have a new project called the Global Traceability Network. It includes agriculture, that is food, and pharmaceuticals and water, and it is to track all three in a global system from the source to the customer. In the food area, it is called Farm to Fork, and it is available for participation by other participants, whether they're investors, customers, or developers, or marketing people. The idea is that the systems currently used for tracking food, pharma, and water are separate, and they are sort of not integrated all from the beginning to the end. So that was the whole idea. It's a sort of a big project, but I think we are able to work on it, and we have started it, and it's already in development. Some components have already been made. The structure is already done. Nice. The advantage is it will save from waste, from recalls, and avoid fraud. And secondly, it helps getting, for value addition, it allows getting better rates for products like organic or certified products or fair trade and things like those. Our solution is one system for all sectors and for multiple standards. So what we have done is come up with a system that covers multiple standards used in the world for food, pharma, and water tracking. It is designed to be open and scalable, and also it includes offline modes. That means if the internet is not reliable, the system should still work. Currently, we started with Postgres, with GIS, because that was the best technology available from the database point of view. And this is not just a theory, it's not just a standard. The structure is already done. The implementation is already, the structure of the implementation, the database has already been created and designed, and now the coding has started. What the advantage of having one company make all of it allows it to go faster, and then we are open to having committees and other discussion groups add to the structure if they want and integrate it into other systems. That is what the objective of this presentation is, to announce that this is available, and if those who want to collaborate, they're most welcome to collaborate. The project itself is available through participation through the project equity method. This is explained separately. It's a way that even if somebody does 15 to 20 minutes of work, that will be noted in the contribution instead of like fixed percentages like usually are done with companies. What we do is we give shares inside projects. And the projects are actually owned by companies, and those can be converted into companies later if required. Examples of contributions could be farmers, producers, developers, compliance experts, validators, marketing people, ambassadors, promoters. In our project equity method, it is possible for contributors to get paid within a week by selling their shares, all or partial, to other investors who want to be financial investors. The financial investors can also be customers who want to take part in the development or speed up the development of the systems that are being built. The advantages of participation are if you're actually using the system once it's built, or you're participating in it in the building process. The advantages for producers are you get faster compliance with less costs for consultants, and the benefit of that is you can get better value addition for your products. For tech talent, you're participating in a global infrastructure project. For regulators, you can get the advantage of real-time tracking and also empowering small business owners. By participating, you can solve real problems and earn real ownership in a project which is of high value. This is the general timeline and targets for this project currently. If you want to join, You can get our contact from this website. It's remote-support.space, and inform us how you would like to participate. If this project gets completed and used, we hope that every bite, pill, and drop of water will be able to tell its story in the hands of the consumer, all the way back to where it started from. The idea is not just to track supply chains, but to build and maintain trust. The project in its current state, some of the technical information is that the database is Postgres. The standards include but are not limited to GS1 and ISO standards. Hosting can be done in multiple countries depending on the requirements of where the data is to be hosted, or globally if there is no issue with the data location requirements. The legal structure: currently the project is owned by ATRC and shares are available inside the project. There is no separate dedicated company for the project right now, and ATRC and remote support are managing the project for now. Here is our contact information. You're welcome to contact via email at ict@remote-support.space, and our website is remote-support.space.